looks like an orb. Can't zoom in there. Can you film it? Can you see it?
Yeah.
With the 10 times zoom, are you able to see the solar panels like this? This is the International Space Station flying over. And it looks just like an orb. It's not going to reflect that. You can see it just below. Because it is 8:55, yeah, so that's definitely. So we're going to watch the International Space
So you want me to do it zoomed in?
Yeah, as much as you can.
As much as I can?
Yeah, like I want to see if you can see like before, remember when we can see we could actually see the solar panels on it? I want to see if you can see that.
I don't think so.
Slowly passing over, staying consistently. Now it's white. It's passing over here. Can you see this? That's it. This is the International Space Station. Flying over here slowly. It looked really colorful at first, but now it's just white as it passes over. International Space Station. Oh, look, there's a satellite flying right by it. It's flying almost over directly over the head. What does it look like from your camera?
This looks like a white orb.
It doesn't look. Why were we able to see the?
Because it was sunny out.
The sun?